guys, we are at Rachna right now. I'm with Aki. She's one of my closest friends. We've come to wrap books for
Blind date with a book.
so that's exactly what we are doing. I'll show you around the bookstore and you all can spend some time with us.
And visit if you're in Gangtok. It's called Rachna, but if you search up Bookman's Bed and Breakfast, it should also show up. There's a cafe downstairs called Cafe Fiction.
We love this place.
Yeah, we do. I've been here since I was like a child.
She kind of grew up here almost. She comes here very often and she interned for a little while.
Yeah, very fun.
So we've picked out a bunch of books there. And then we'll be wrapping them.
Basically, we add like a few features of the book or like genres and stuff, but we won't like give off the whole plotline. Based on the little information, people buy it. Yeah.
These are the books. Hi guys. She does not like the camera very much. She's going away. She's going away from India.
And never coming back.
That's a lie. I hope she comes back. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Let's start with these.
The first book's done. Now Aki's work is to write on them. Write the
Like a tiny blurb type of thing.
We're done with 2 books. How many are we doing? I think we are doing 10 books and we are done with 2. See, we're so cool.
She's delusional. The ink I used in the beginning matches the cover of the books. I don't know why that's interesting.
She's so cool and creative.
I'm not. Iris is creative.
She's going to law school in a few.
Like a month-ish.
In a
Hopefully.
month. Bro, when we are old, we'll look at this YouTube video.
And we're gonna say, what were we doing, bro? We should have been studying.
No, I won't say that.
Iris is a lover girl too.
What am I, Aki?
A lover girl.
Am I really though?
Like, I feel like in theory she is, but in practice she's not going to be. Like, I feel like she'd get like annoyed at like little things, but in her head she's like very affectionate. But I don't think it's easy to be that affectionate. Bro, her icks are like people walking and stuff. She's like, I don't like it when they walk.
What is it?
I said she doesn't like it when people walk.
The way certain.
Like this. That's the best way I can explain it.
Without demonstration.
Yeah.
You're not a
Play reader. Like, I don't like plays or like scripts and stuff. Because it's so difficult to read dialogue, bro.
She's so intellectual.
I'm not. I read like Tempest for school and I was like, I don't like plays.
What are your opinions on it?
On Tempest?
On It Ends With Us? No opinions.
No opinion.
Ugly Love.
I
By
think
Colleen,
all of her
Colleen
books-
Hoover in general. Bro, it's going to go online,
It's okay.
so be careful.
All her books have very controversial plot lines, and also I feel like they romanticize toxic stuff and like essay and all that. Also, there's like not a lot of variety in her writing. It's all like the same thing.
Similar recipe.
It's like a physical copy of any Wattpad book ever, except for that one book she has that's like a little.
Verity.
Yeah, it's like tolerable.
I haven't read Verity. Is that how you say it?
It makes your head good.
But it's like better than her other
Most,
books.
yeah.
So,
Yeah.
okay, we'll go back to work.
Yeah.
This is already 30 minutes long. So we've been asked to put the books on this table. And then, which one? On that table, and we'll clean it up and then put those new books.
These are chilling monsoons. Yep.
Hi guys, we just got done with our work. Are you happy? Did you have fun? Where exactly? She's camera shy.
I'm not camera shy.
Guys, asking for you all. Yes sir, 360. We were about to leave, but then it started to rain. So now we are just here for another few minutes. Say hi.
It is raining, don't get caught in the rain.
We are
Hi,
leaving
guys.
Rachna.
Yes, it was very fun.
Even I had a lot of fun.
And
One sec.
she used a sweater to wipe you guys off.
In the end, we had a coffee. I could not record there.
There was this French artist that Iris had a lot to talk about with, and I had nothing because I don't do art. Art is for. Wait, that crazy lady across the street, bro. That walked out or something. I swear, we're gonna.
Oh no!
Chasing us. Is she?
No, no, no.
Okay. We're gonna just wait here till she walks past this. It's gone.
None. No, she's still there. Bro, oh no.